Hello and welcome to Caravan Salon. I've got here to show you a Opel camper van conversion, Easy Camper, Easy Camper Germany. So now we're going to have a look inside at this vehicle. So Opel conversion, and let's walk to the very back. Now, just seem to have a lot of space in here. And does say there not to lean on it. Two windows in the back. Beds go up very nicely to make up all of this extra space down here. We've got technical things right at this side. We've got a bit of storage there. Here we've got this very long kitchen block, and we have sides which are really very clean. Drawers below. Okay, this is the Dometic, more or less standard for camper vans. Let's have a look in here. So the sink which comes out, same as what Hymer does, this looks in, and toilet below. Seats by Full Vans, I don't know who they are, and this case it's on a Opel manual gearbox. I'll take you down to the front down here, and Dometic fridge which opens both ways. There's nothing in it. That's a pity. Or next to nothing in it. It'll open this way as well. I'll demonstrate that one as well for you. There you go. Two-way opening. Something like this, about 66,000 in this condition. What stands out though is that rear is the kitchen block, and the rear, the amount of space that can be offered by putting the beds up like this. And this is a way in which you don't see in other vehicles so much at all. We've also on the right, you see the table will come out, giving an extra 1/3 over here. Lighting is quite good, and I think that's about it really. I've said what I can say about this vehicle. As always, and as you would expect in something like this, you've got a mosquitiera in the door, fly net or mosquito net in the door. So there you go. Right side, Vitka.de, easycampergermany.de. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you found it interesting, and if you did, then I upload every day at 21:15 in my time. I'm usually in Poland, now I'm in Germany, and this is the largest selection of camper vans and motorhomes on YouTube. Thanks for watching.